Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we will be discussing how you can withdraw your money from Creators Alliance. Let's get started. So essentially, the first step you need to do is of course logging into your account. Start by logging into your Creators Alliance account using your credentials as in your username/email and your password. Once you've done so, navigate to the payments or payout section. Once logged in, go to the payments/payouts or withdrawals section of your account dashboard. This is usually found in the settings or financial section of the website. Once you're there, select withdrawal method. Choose your preferred withdrawal method. Creators Alliance typically supports options like a bank transfer, PayPal, or direct payments to other platforms, depending on what's available for your region. Now, once you've done that, enter your withdrawal amount, specify the amount you wish to withdraw, make sure it is the correct amount, and be wary of any withdrawal limits or fees that may be applicable. Once you've done that, go ahead and press the confirm and submit option. Once you've done that, simply wait for your process. Your withdrawal request should be processed with some time, and once it's done, keep an eye on your account or an email for confirmation. It's as simple as that. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.